Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how I painted these realistic looking strawberries in my acrylic painting which I posted a while back. So this is going to be a super mini tutorial and I hope you guys enjoy it. In the base layer, I painted crimson red, maroon and deep yellow mixed in red. Here I'm using a number 1 brush and I'm evenly applying all the layers mixed with a little bit of water. After this, I used maroon color to make the shadows where the seeds will be. Also, please note that we have to stop until the previous layer dries up fully, otherwise the colors will get fully mixed as we apply the subsequent layers. Also, I know that the lighting in my video is not that good, but that's because I painted it at night. So please excuse me for that. Now, using a 000 brush, I'll make the sprinkled sugar, which is kind of my most favorite part of this painting. I'm just dotting it all over. And now finally, I'll use a brownish maroonish color to outline the whitish lines that I've created around the seeds. And then for the leaves, I'll use a sap green color, turquoise and deep yellow color. And then I'll just paint it as I'm showing it in the video. And finally, after all of this, I'll just make a shadow of the leaves that I've just painted. Please do let me know in the comments if you want more such tutorials, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.